Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR Magic8 Lite, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So, to get started, you're gonna hold power button and volume up at the same time, which brings up boot options, and from here you want to select power off. Now when the device turns off, you want to hold power button and volume up again, though we're going to hold it a little bit longer. And when you see the HONOR logo on the screen, let go of that power button, but keep holding volume up. Now this takes us to the recovery mode. In here, simply just select Safe Mode at the bottom. This will reboot the device, and when it boots back up, it will enter Safe Mode. Now, nothing here was mentioned, so I'm going to quickly explain this mode. Safe Mode is primarily designed for troubleshooting your device. If you have some kind of problem that you just can't resolve in a normal mode, you could put the device into Safe Mode, and this would prevent any kind of application that could be causing you problems from functioning. So, from there, you would basically be able to manage it, delete it, or do whatever, and safely leave this mode back to normal one, where this application would no longer exist to bring you like any kind of problems. So let's unlock our device. And you can see we do have a watermark right here, safe mode, so we are aware that we're in this mode, as it does kind of limit the usability of the device. And it actually looks like HONOR hides the applications from our home screen. Typically, they would become semi-transparent in monochrome, but here, I'm pretty sure there was an application right here. So, if you're looking for some application that you want to get rid of, you would need to navigate into Settings, and in Settings, go to Apps, and then Manage Apps, and you can see we have all of them visible right here. So, we do have more than is visible on our home screen, and these applications, I believe, also don't show up right here in your app drawer. So you will need to look for them in the apps page, like in the settings like I showed you. Now once you're done with safe mode and you want to go back to the normal mode, press the power button and volume up again, and this time around we're going to select restart. This will reboot the device, and when it boots back up, automatically it will enter back into the normal mode. So anyway, I'm going to come back once the device is back up for me. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.